Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my page, my name is Prenny and I'm currently living in South Australia. And I have two children, si Stephanie and si Scarlett. Today's date is the 4th of December 2023. Say hi guys!
Do we have any money
Why?
to buy stuff from there?
Our money's at home. What do you need?
I just want to buy one lolly.
No, you can't ride your bike while eating a lollipop.
No, I'll hold it in my hand.
At yan po si Scarlett. Gusto daw niyang bumili ng lollipop inside the shop. So, isa po itong gasolinahan. Pero ang tawag dito, petrol station, service station, or sa slang, Australian slang is servo. Again, servo. Isa po sa mga bagay na ginagawa namin pag walang pasok is magbabike riding. Wala po kasi akong air compressor sa bahay or yung portable tire inflator kaya dito namin dinadala ang aming mga bisikleta to pump up the tire kasi kulang po siya ng hangin. Ito po ay libre lamang so dapat talaga matututo kang magdagdag kung paano dagdagan ng hangin ang inyong mga gulong. Pati na din sa sasakyan guys, it's very easy to learn and also if you needed to top up the water, yung tanke para sa wiper nyo, sa windscreen wiper, ay pwede din po ditong kumuha ng tubig for free. Shoutout pala sa daddy ni Scarlett kasi siya po ang gumagawa lahat. So, 4 na bisikleta ang dinagdagan niya ng hangin. Ito pala yung control guys. Meron namang nakalagay na instruction, dapat nyo lang basahin. And don't worry if you don't know anything, pwede nyo pong mag-ask ng assistance from the people inside. Meron namang nagbabantay sa loob at I'm sure they're willing to help you. At dito pala sa Australia, wala pong gasoline boy or yung pump attendant. Hindi kagaya sa Pilipinas na merong maglalagay ng gasolina sa sasakyan nyo. Dito po wala. You will be the one putting petrol in your tank and then you just have to go inside the shop to pay for it. Ang average petrol price sa lugar namin as of today, the 4th of December 2023 is $1.76 or nasa 65 pesos kada litro. Agoy kamahal kaayo oy, kung pwede pa lang magbibisikleta lang ako patungo sa work or during school pick up and drop off, pwede na sana kaso medyo malayo-layo po kasi kaya better safe na magdadrive lang ako ng sasakyan. Kagaya ngayon, umuulan, tas maya-maya, init na naman. So, yes, I prefer to drop them off using my car. I-flex ko lang po ang bago kong nabili na bisikleta. So, medyo nakapag-upgrade kami. Ang orange na bike at yung pula ay mura lamang po. Sa Facebook Marketplace, second hand siya guys. Pero medyo, good as new. So actually, I saw this posted sa marketplace at nag-message po ako at hindi ko po akalain na Pilipino po pala ang may-ari. Kaya napakaswerte ko po kasi dineliver pa nila. Hindi po ito magkakasya sa aking sasakyan. Maliit lang kasi ang space ng aking boot sa aking sasakyan. Kaya I asked him if he could deliver it and he said yes. So I'm very grateful at maraming salamat po kuya. If you're watching this vlog, maraming salamat talaga sa pag-deliver nito. And all the best to your new journey ahead. So, doon po sila sa Western Australia lilipat, guys. So, ang Commonwealth of Australia po ay constitutionally consist of 6 na federated states. Ang New South Wales, Queensland, South Australia, Tasmania, Victoria, and Western Australia. Yan po ang view namin ngayon. Isa po yung caravan park na malapit dito sa dagat. Medyo malangsa nga lang kasi maraming mga seaweeds at parang may mga patay na isda dito.
Smells egg.
Rotten eggs! Smells like rotten eggs.
Yeah. And what is that?
It's a dead sea. Dead fish.
There's fish. Ew, it smells like rotten eggs. Granny's Island. Mom, Granny lives close here now. Granny lives close to here. This is difficult to stand on.
Scarlett, can you stay there for a minute, please?
Ang ganda po talaga dito, napakatahimik, malinis at sobrang nakaka-amaze talaga ang bansang Australia guys kasi pinapahalagan po nila ang mga wildlife. So dito na lang po nagtatapos ang aking vlog for today at sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood. Maraming salamat po. Until next time, bye!